This guy my clown. F-type Jaguar. Open up, and let me clown on this hoe. I knew he would come behind me. Dude, I'm gonna smoke you in front of your father-in-law. Alright, your father-in-law is about to disown you for a whole nother damn reason. Alright, homie? His father's probably looking at, man, I wish this dude on the bike smashed my daughter instead of this loser in the driver's seat. Is what he's thinking right now. You're a douchebag. This always closes, you're a douchebag. The douchebags is who we usually go against. That wasn't even full on the gas, homie. That wasn't even full on the gas. Would you like a round two, sir? I had a car in front of me so I didn't go full on the gas. No? You don't want a round two? You got your ass beat in front of your father-in-law! That wasn't even full because I had a car in front of me, man. Come on, give me a red, give me a red, give me a yellow, give me a yellow. Why not pull up now? Open road, pull up! Pull up, man! It's a goddamn open road. Round up! You won't even pop up like next to me to like give me the appreciation that your father-in-law just see your man turn into a woman. Now, which isn't a bad thing. I'm just saying, like, he might think it's a bad thing. I go both ways, so I don't even care. Round two! Ha 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 ha! Round two! Dude, I shamed his ass so bad. Homie turned and left. He dipped. He vanished into oblivion. Where are we at though? There's nobody here. Peace out, dog. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Where are we at though? He disappeared. I crushed him so bad. He's out of here. Chronicles of Narnia, open the closet. He's there. Hide it in there. His father-in-law's with him. Tell him how much of a disappointment he is. Where are we at though? Huh? Blonde. Old ass. Where are we at though? That's the mother-in-law. Where's your daughter at, huh? Where's your daughter at? Well, again, not a bad thing. Alright? I go both ways. Not a bad thing. To him though, he takes that as an insult. I don't. It's a compliment. Call me a woman. I love him. I am what I eat. I love him. Call me a dude. I was gonna say I suck him, but that's a little too far. That's a little too far. It rhymed though. Did he shine though? Tell Flux to run it back. Drop a bomb hoe. Is what we did on him, man. I will be having your wife tonight. All right. Father-in-law, your daughter is mine tonight. Either that or you better buy a strap-on, because that dude's balls is gone. Alright? That dude's balls is gone. Technically you need more than that, right? But still put a strap-on on. Alright? It's over. It's done. King saying is back. I never liked the sound of that king. Like, I'd be a dictator for sure. Like, no doubt about it. Kingdom, you see me on top of it twerking it to my kingdom, to my people. Alright? I'd be the only king that would have like live, like weekly, hourly twerking sessions where I would just get up on top. They would all look up at the sky. I'm like, that's our king right there. And I'll be clapping it up. Clapping it, big body, slapping it up. Alright, so just to recap, that was Broly, that wasn't me, alright? That was a sex tape. I'm just the director, the producer, the one with the hard on behind the camera. I'm not the one actually in front of the video, in front of the lens, alright? That's Broly and that F-type thingy. And the crazy thing is, that sport mode, that's not even the fastest. There's so many freaking, engine output is at medium. I didn't even go all the way, because again, it's a street, and it could be, one of those lights could be a red light really quickly or whatever. So I don't want to, you know, I don't want to hit the brakes on that hard, because right now I'm still new to riding. Alright, I've only been riding for the past 15 years! Nah, I haven't been riding. I don't know how many years I've been riding. 10, 8, 9, 8 years? Shirtless! I told you I go both ways! We respect toplessness of men and women. Throw it back, make it pop in the club. Shorty took it off thicker than the pride. She thicker than the pride. That's how my people would describe me. You know, if someone asked me to travel, alright? They ask, tell me something about your king. They would say, that dude is juicier and thicker than the damn plot. They wouldn't say anything else, actually. They would just say, thicker than the plot. They wouldn't say that, actually. They would say, thicker than the damn plot. And they would emphasize the damn plot, alright? Because when you see somebody, you see a juicy booty walking around, what do? You go, God damn! You emphasize the damn! Is what you would do for me, too. Call me Big Fish! I've never been a Meek Mill fan. He always seemed like a clown to me for some reason. Maybe he is, I don't know, but I don't know. I've never had a type of way for him. Going back again, going back. Yeah, yeah, trick, yeah. There's a rider there. I couldn't tell. I couldn't give a to see if he was actually a moped. If he was actually my kind of rider, but life has shown me that he usually isn't. But can we go back to the F-type Jaguar or whatever that car was? I think it was an F-type Jaguar. Son-in-law, you gotta step it up, man. You gotta step it up. Round one, we destroyed you. I had a Lexus in front of me and I had to, you know, not go full throttle. We had a little mini power wheelie because I got a little excited. Alright, it's a sex tape of my baby Broly after a long time. But yeah, I didn't go full throttle on that. It was still in sport mode. Round two, he took so long. If you would just pop next to me, I know exactly what I wanted to do. Oh, Ferrari right there. Ferrari Bentley coupe in the club, twerking in the back. She said yuck. I couldn't think of any other rhyme, but no, when I twerk it in the club, she does not say yuck. Alright, she loves it. She loves it and she wants more of it. I'm upset. 50,000 on my neck, disrespect. Yeah. I couldn't remember the lines. I had to wait until he said it, and then I would say it to you guys. Other than that, me and Drake were body on body, cheeks on cheeks. We were in sync. Can't go 50-50 with no hole. But yeah, son-in-law, try another day. Another time. Actually, probably not, because I don't really F with F-type Jaguars. Here, man. Speed it up. What up, cuz? I think that guy knows me. He looked at me all excitedly. I think he knows me. And you see the conceitedness within me? Now this Mark doesn't want to pass me. First it was tailgating me so closely it could sniff the cheeks. Now it don't give an F. 50-50 with no hoe. Can't go 50-50 with no hoe. No. I'm upset. $50,000 on my... $50,000 on my neck. Disrespect. Bald hoe. I don't think she was bald. SMX Triple X is what this video should be rated for the pounding. We gave that F-type Jaguar. But again, round French, round dos Spanish, bilingual homie, polylingual homie. What is it called? Polygot. I can't say polygot, whatever you say it. It sounds like a slur to me. I don't know why. Maybe it is, and I'm just saying the wrong word for knowing multiple languages. As you guys know, I'm a mixed breed boy. Alright? I dip it in, my feet dip in each kinds of foreign waters. Alright, to give you this complete masterpiece, I've dipped my body into different bodies of foreign water of language. 50-50 win no huh? Alright, but yeah, round and round with that homie. But you saw him, he was waiting until it was a red light because he knew the only way he could even get a little bit on me, was if he got me from a starting, from a dead stop. Because he's on 4 wheels, he can gun it. My petite little big booty body would do a power wheelie, I would do a front flip, and I would still beat his ass. But the only way he would keep up, and his father-in-law would respect him even a little bit, is if he got me from a dead stop. Which, homie, dead stop, 100 on the dash, you ain't winning. Not in an F-type Jaguar, you ain't winning. Medium output, booties in sport mode. I didn't even clap it in the wind that much, man. I didn't even clap it in the wind. Did you see me go full tuck? I don't need to. Did I use the piano fingers? Well, I kind of forgot, because again, I'm still remembering how to ride. I didn't use the piano fingers. Homie, not down low, up in the air to your face. I fingered the mouth before I traveled to different places. That is gross.